Hello children, I hope that all of you are having a good day. So, in the last class we have learned about the Thar Desert, isn't it? The Western Desert. We have learned the first portion of that chapter, that is chapter 4. So, now let us learn the portion that was left out in the chapter. So, in this video, you will be learning about the water supply in Thar Desert, then how is the lifestyle of the people living in Thar Desert, and which are the major cities that you find in the Rajasthan. Okay, so let us start our class. So, first is about the water supply in Rajasthan. I have told you that in Rajasthan, especially in the western region where Thar Desert is situated, there are very less streams that are flowing, that are flowing through the region. So, because of that, they have scarcity of water. The availability of water is very less. At the same time, the amount of rainfall that they get is also very less. Sometimes they won't get rainfall throughout the year. So, there is always scarcity of water, and as a result, the people are having a very hard life in Rajasthan. And the women who are living in the desert, especially the village women, have to travel a lot of distance or long distances to fetch a little water. So, in order to avoid this problem, the state government of Rajasthan has put forward one method. The state government wanted to provide water that the people of Rajasthan or the people living in that region of Western Desert could use for their domestic needs as well as for irrigation purposes. So, the state government of Rajasthan, has built a canal. Has built a canal called as the Indira Gandhi Canal. They built a canal called as the Indira Gandhi Canal. This canal brings water from Sutlej River. So this canal, the Indira Gandhi Canal, has been built by the state government of Rajasthan, and because of this canal, now there is availability of water. So this canal brings the water from the Sutlej River. And because of the presence of this canal, now people are doing farming. People living near to that area, near to the canal, is able to do farming, and they are able to grow crops such as wheat, mustard, as well as cotton. Because of the presence of this canal, now people are able to do farming, and they farm crops such as wheat, mustard and cotton. So, if you look at this picture, you can clearly see the Indira Gandhi Canal. Here it is drawn. It passes through the western region of Rajasthan. This is the picture of that canal. So, there will be water throughout the year, and people living near to this canal can do farming. Then next is about the occupation of the people living in Thar Desert. Mainly people have the occupation of rearing animals. Okay, they rear animals. They rear animals such as sheep, goat, cattle, camel, etc. Okay, cattle means animals like cow and buffalo. Okay, so they grow sheep. Okay, they take care of these animals. They grow sheep, goat, cattle and camel. Mainly they are grown for the milk. Okay. Okay, the process by which or the method by which we are growing these kind of animals is called rearing. Rearing means we are keeping that animals and taking care of them. Okay, so that we will get something from that animals. That is especially they are reared for milk. Other than rearing these animals, they also do farming. Okay, other than rearing animals, farming is also a major occupation. Okay, in farming they grow crops such as bajra, jowar, then they grow sesame, maize, groundnut, etc. These are the major crops that they grow or the commonly grown crops in the Thar Desert region, that is near to the canal. Okay. Then these are the pictures of bajra, jowar, maize and sesame. Okay, these are the pictures of those crops. Then there are also a group of people known as the Banjaras. It is very important. Okay, a group of people who live in this region known as the Banjaras. Banjaras are a type of nomads. Okay, that means they are people. Banjaras are people traveling from one place to another in search of food. In search of food for themselves and their animals. That means a group of people, especially the village people, there is a group of people known as Banjaras. They are people who travel from one place to another. Sometimes you must have also seen them. Okay, they will travel along with their animals from one place to a distant place, that is in search for food, not only for them but also for the animals that they are growing. Such group of people is known as Banjaras. Okay, such group of people are known as Banjaras. Okay, so the main occupation is rearing of animals like sheep, goat, cattle and camel, then farming of crops like bajra, jowar, sesame, maize and groundnut. Okay, then there are also a group of people known as the Banjaras. They are people who travel from one place to another in search of food. Okay, not only for themselves but also for their animals. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the next topic. Okay, next is about the houses that you see in the desert. Okay, what is the speciality of houses that you see in the desert region? Okay, usually the houses that you see in Rajasthan, especially towards the western region, as well as the houses that you see in the desert region, have flat roofs. Have flat roofs, then small windows, small and few windows, and they also have thick walls. Okay, the houses have flat roofs, small and few windows, and they also have thick walls. It is to keep the interior of the house, to keep the inside of the house cooler. They have thick walls so that the heat that is present outside, the hot air that is present outside will not enter into the house. For that they are building thick walls. Okay. So that is the speciality of the houses that you see in the Thar desert. Along with that, some houses also have tanks called as the tangas. Okay, this is the picture of a tanga. Okay. Tanga. This is the picture of a tanga. Tanga is actually a storage of water. Just like we have water tanks at our home, they build this kind of tangas that is deep so that it will collect the rainwater. So these tangas are used to store rainwater, and they use this water during dry season. Store rainwater and use it during the dry season, so that they will have water during the dry season. So most of the houses will have this kind of tanks known as the tangas. That is about the house that you see in the Thar desert. Next, let us study about the lifestyle of the people. So in Thar desert or in the Rajasthan region, they commonly wear dresses like the Gagra, then they wear dresses like Choli, and they also wear dresses like Odni. These are the common types of dresses worn by the women. Okay, the picture that you see here, this is the picture of Odni dress. Okay, and men usually wear dhoti, kurta, and a turban on their head. Okay, you can see the turban here. They wear a dhoti and a kurta. That is the common dress that men used to wear in the Rajasthan region. Especially if you look at the villages in the Thar desert. Most of their dresses will be like this, and they also like to wear colorful dresses. Okay, and their main food, or those people living in this region love to eat the food known as the dal bati churma. Okay, they love to eat the food known as the dal bati churma. This is the picture of dal bati churma. So the major food that people of Rajasthan like to eat is the dal bati churma. Okay, it is mainly made up of dal. Then they also celebrate festivals like Gangaur and Tej. These are the most commonly celebrated festivals. Apart from that, they also celebrate festivals like Diwali and Holi, but this is the main festival, that is Gangaur and Tej. and their famous folk dances are Ghumar. The picture that you see is the picture of the folk dance known as Ghumar and Kalbalia. Those are the main folk dances or dance forms that you see in the Rajasthan region. Okay. And there is even a tribe known as the Kalbalia tribe living near to the desert region. Then let us learn about the major cities found in Rajasthan. Okay, which are the major big cities that you find in Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan there are mainly 5 major cities. You have to study the names of 5 cities. One is the Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer, you can see it here. Then there is the Bikaner. Bikaner. Then the second one is the Jodhpur. Jodhpur. Okay, Jodhpur, Jaipur, and the Udaipur. These are the 5 big cities that you find in Rajasthan. And you also know that Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. So Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Udaipur and Jaipur are the most or the big cities that you find in Rajasthan. Okay. And in Jaisalmer, you can find a place known as the Jaisalmer Fort or the Golden Fort. Okay, it is a famous place that is present in this Rajasthan, and most of the tourists visit this place. And in Jaipur, Jaipur is also known as the Pink City, the Pink City of India. Okay, Pink City because in Jaipur most of the buildings, the old buildings were built using pink stones. So because of that, the city appears to be in pink color as most of the buildings were built using pink stone in olden days. So because of that, Jaipur is getting the name Pink City, and it is also famous for the blue pottery. So these places are mostly visited by tourists throughout the year. So children, that chapter is over. So I hope that this part is clear. So I will repeat once again what we have learned in this chapter. Okay, so in this video we were learning about the water supply, lifestyle of people and the major cities that are present in Rajasthan. So in water supply you had to learn about the Indira Gandhi water canal. It is a famous canal in Rajasthan that was built by the government of Rajasthan to compensate the water shortage in the region. Okay, and in this canal the water from river Sutlej is brought. Then the occupation is mainly rearing of animals and farming is the occupation of the people, and there is also a group of people known as Banjaras. They travel from one place to another in search of food. Then you also learned about the houses in Rajasthan. Houses are having flat roof, thick wall and few windows. Then some houses also have tangas, that is an underground water storage tank in which the rainwater is stored to use during the dry season. Then the lifestyle of the people, the most commonly worn dresses are Gagra, Choli and Odhni by the women, and Dhoti, Kurta and turban by men. And their famous food or the food that they love to eat is the dal bati, churma, and they also celebrate festivals like Gangaur and Tej, and the famous folk dances are Ghumar and Kalbalia. There are also famous cities in Rajasthan, that is Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Jaipur and Udaipur. And Jaisalmer is famous for the golden fort, and Jaipur is known as the pink city, in which they are also famous for the blue pottery. Okay. So children, whatever is written on the board, please underline in your textbook. Also underline the first portion that was dealt in the last video. Read your chapter well, read this chapter very well, make it thorough. I hope you all have understood the video. So thank you children.